Also covering fatal gunfire in southern Palm Beach County tonight. A local attorney already suspended in a criminal case accused of shooting his father to death outside the victim's law office. Tonight, a local lawyer weighs in on one big part of the crime that could be a big part of this case moving forward. Steve King joins us live from Boca Raton tonight with new developments in this case. Steve?
Todd, criminal defense attorney Stuart Kaplan says when he looks at the court documents, it appears that the evidence is pointing in one direction, that Brandon Labiner is responsible for killing his father, Paul Labiner, outside of Paul Labiner's estate planning law office here in Boca Raton.
There's a lot of circumstantial evidence when pieced together based upon the probable cause affidavit tends to show that this individual is responsible for shooting and killing his father.
That report states Brandon Labiner rode his bicycle to his father's law office Saturday afternoon, as seen in this surveillance video, when he confronted his father and opened fire, shooting him 4 times. Police say they later searched Brandon Labiner's vehicle, finding the possible murder weapon, items that could have been used to destroy evidence like a gas can and a lighter, and clothes matching what he was wearing in surveillance video. Brandon Labiner's family members, who police say positively identified Brandon in surveillance video, did not have a comment when we called them today. Court papers also state family members say Brandon Labiner was going through a lot of stress, including having his law license suspended after his father sued him after Brandon was accused of stealing almost $500,000 from a trust fund. But the report goes on to state family members say there was even more weighing on Brandon in his personal life, and Stuart Kaplan says that's what the defense team could focus on as the case moves forward.
There must have been something that put him over the edge to cause him to basically be at his breaking point, to have nowhere else to turn but to commit a homicide of his father. So we want to try to mitigate and try to get some sympathy or empathy from the state so that they don't come down and basically sentence him and throw away the key for the rest of his life.
We reached out to Brandon Labiner's attorney, but we have not received a response. He's still in the Palm Beach County Jail with no bond. And Brandon Labiner is set to appear in court next month. Reporting live in Boca Raton, Steve King, WPBF 25 News.